Welcome to our washing machine showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the Portable Washing Machine. We'll dive into their features, capacities, and how they stack up against each other. Whether you're looking for a compact solution for small spaces or a more robust option for household use, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer boasts a capacity of 1.7 cubic feet, allowing you to wash up to 11 pounds of laundry at once. This makes it ideal for larger loads, such as family laundry. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 16 liters, which is better suited for small items like underwear and baby clothes. While the BLACK+DECKER offers more washing power, the portable washing machine excels in convenience for smaller loads. When it comes to portability, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer weighs in at 70.5 pounds, which can be cumbersome to move around, despite its wheels. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is incredibly lightweight at just under 5 pounds and features a foldable design, making it perfect for travel or small living spaces. If portability is your priority, the portable washing machine takes the lead. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer comes equipped with 6 wash cycles, including options for heavy and delicate loads, along with features like auto unbalance detection and a child lock. In contrast, the portable washing machine offers a more straightforward operation with a touch panel and basic washing and spin functions. While the BLACK+DECKER is feature-rich, the simplicity of the portable washing machine makes it user-friendly for those who prefer a no-fuss approach. In conclusion, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is a robust option for those needing more capacity and features, while the portable washing machine is perfect for those with limited space and smaller laundry needs. Consider your washing habits and space constraints when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.